Welcome! If you want to make sure you never miss an important reminder on Instagram, turning on reminder notifications is a great way to stay updated. Whether it's for live events, product launches, or special announcements, enabling these notifications will keep you in the loop. Today, I'll guide you through the simple steps to turn on reminder notifications on Instagram using your phone's settings. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings app. This is where you control all the permissions and notifications for your apps. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps or Applications, depending on your device. This will show you a list of all the apps installed on your phone. Find and tap on Instagram from the list. This opens the app-specific settings where you can customize its behavior. Now, tap on Notifications. Here, you'll see all the notification options available for Instagram. Look for notification categories or something similar. This section breaks down the types of notifications Instagram can send you. Under the Instagram notification categories, find the option labeled Reminders. This is the key setting that controls whether you get notified about upcoming reminders. Finally, toggle the Reminders option to the On position. This will activate reminder notifications for Instagram on your phone. Once you've done this, you're all set. Instagram will now send you alerts for any reminders you've set within the app, helping you stay on top of your favorite events and updates. Remember, if you ever want to turn off these notifications, just follow the same steps and toggle the Reminders option off. Thanks for watching. Stay connected and never miss a moment on Instagram again.